Happy Friday. Post a good word. Good morning, Scott. Morning, Bowser. Morning, Green. Oh, Green got beat out by Scott. Oh. Mod gang. Mod gang, mod gang. Morning, morning, morning. How's everybody doing? Everybody good? Green was here 10 hours ago. Green was the first one on the stream. But did he leave a like is the question. Did he leave a like? Good morning, Jason. What's up, brother? Good morning, good morning. How y'all doing? Everybody good? Y'all ready for Friday? Green, how you feeling today? Oh, 650 subs. Nice. We're pushing, we're pushing, we're pushing. What's the good word in the Discord here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we got London. Sam was in the London session here. What's up, Simon? What up, champ? Yeah, gold hasn't moved. Gold hasn't even moved since last night. Nice. It's moved, but it hasn't moved much. Still in the same range here. So these are the drawings I had last night. Was staying out of this range here, and yeah, we never broke out of the range yet here. What's this? GJ? Yeah, sells below there. I think that's what I had too. What's this? Gold. Very nice. All right, sweet. Sweet. Welcome everybody. If you guys aren't in our free Discord yet, you're more than welcome to join. Seeing what was taking place during the London session here. Doesn't look like much. Yeah, that's what I used to do too. Just look back at the charts every 15 to 30 minutes, depending on what I'm looking for. Too easy, man. Too easy. Too easy. Good morning, Michi. What's up, bro? All right, let's get this thing started, man. Welcome back to another stream. It is a beautiful Friday here, and we're gonna cover the New York session. We're gonna be trading gold and GJ here today. Gonna do top-down analysis on both pairs today, and probably gonna have some good conversation. But you know, it's a Friday. It's another day just to come be disciplined, right? Make sure we are focused on what our system requires, what our system is, and don't budge outside of those rules, right? I was talking to the guys in the Discord last night, and really just kind of harping on, hey, every emotion. Every negative emotion that you're going to experience on the chart, some way or another ties back to breaking your rules. And you really need rules, right? If you're just here to trade and, you know, see if you can make money today, that's great. But if you're one of the guys that are on here and you're looking to do this full time, you're looking to do this long term, you're looking to really provide that lifestyle that you can dream of for your family, then you're gonna have to live by a rule-based system here. No other way I could put it, man. No other way I could put it. All the emotions, all the FOMO, all the greed, all the I wish I would have did this, I wish I would have did that. All that stems from not following your rules or not having rules in place at all. So my message to you today is that if you don't have rules, man, this weekend sit down and write some rules, man. Write out what your system's gonna be, and then you're gonna have to sample size that system, right? It's not just gonna be you make a system and all of a sudden you're gonna be extremely profitable all the time. Like if you don't have a system, plug into this stream every day, right? We are very militant, we are very systematic and process focused. If things don't fall in line with our process or our system and our criteria, then we will not budge on it. And you'll see a great example on this stream of that. But if you're looking to do it full time, don't kid yourself any longer. Don't keep spinning in a revolving door, man. Just get a system, stick to it, and stay consistent with it. All right. So that's the little brief message here this morning for you all, for all you studly traders out there looking to do this long term and looking to see real success in the industry. Go study all the greats that were trading. They all had a system that they lived by, that they traded by when they were on the charts, and they didn't deviate, right? So don't deviate from the system, right? Every time they deviated, every time I deviated, I always, ended up taking a hit for it. So let's stay systematic here and process focused. All right, cool. So let's take a look at gold. Gold. Let's get rid of all the drawings. Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. Let's lower the music a little bit here. I don't know if the music's too loud, but all right, cool. So let's take a look at this weekly time frame here on gold. So man, we're hanging out here in the clouds, right? We're pretty much all-time highs up here on gold. It's been hard to find data to the left, and it's going to continue to get even harder to find data to the left because there's nothing to the left at this point, right? We're in outer space. So it can get a little difficult to start trading gold while it's up here. We need pullbacks, we need ranges on the lower time frames, and we'll get all that, but we're pretty high up here now, so pretty exciting times. Dollar's going to shit, gold is pushing up. There are a lot of uncertainty right in our currency right now, and just what a time to be trading, what a time to be learning about the financial markets, and trading in pairs like gold here. So here's what we got, right? Oh man, I gotta send the Zoom link. I gotta share screen. I gotta share screen, and I gotta share Zoom link. Zoom. Good morning, Tandy, my man. Tandy the man. Okay, cool. Perfect. All right, sweet. So let's take a look here at gold, right? So it looks like we're approaching the all-time high resistance here, right? We're right at it right now. Are we gonna close above, man? That is the question of the day. Like, will we close above this resistance? This resistance, man, is the all-time high resistance. So this is very interesting, right? If we take a look, there was a wick to fill. Looks like we're still pushing up, but either way, let's take a look at this, right? So past couple weeks on gold, we were able to push up pretty strong here with this candle, right? This was after we had a lot of news, a lot of uncertainty on the US dollar. This is where the banks were all going through their issues, and we opened up with no bottom wick and we closed with no top wick, right? And what we did was, where we closed was really important. How we closed was important, but where we closed was important as well, because we never closed above this resistance to the left hand side, right? So that's why price had to come back down to create some sort of support before we were able to push up and close above this area here. So what happened was you seen gold now come down, create a support, and really gathered a lot of power down here, right? All these rejections, all this was just pumping gold up. We created a support, and then boom, you had a beautiful rocket ship of a candle right here close outside and above this previous range, right? So now we could say we officially have a close above, and the next candle should be able to make a nice steep bottom wick, flip bullish and fill this wick, and then you also have this wick up here, right? So right now that's exactly what we've seen happen. What a beautiful weekly candle this is, huh? I mean, just ideal, like just perfect, man. That just looks beautiful, right? So we've broken the high, we respected this low, we made a new low, we broke the previous high, we've now pushed up, we're creating a new high. Can we retest this wick, right? Can we fill this wick is probably what we're going to be looking for here today, right? If we're looking for buys, which we are, because I mean, look at the weekly time frame, right? Now we still have the next resistance is up over here, right? This is going to be our next resistance here today. And again, that's the question, is will we actually close above that resistance? That's a big question, right? In terms of price action and candlesticks. So let's scale down to the daily time frame. Let's see what's going down over here. So one thing we can say is that we did close. So you have a resistance right here, right? You have a resistance right here on gold, which we did close above yesterday. And we have a support where gold is pushed off of now. Potentially, can we see a retracement here today, right? We never broken the high yet. Gold has pushed up. I believe that was early in the open of this candle. We pushed up and now we're pretty bearish here, right? So we could 100% be coming down. So over the next couple days, gold hasn't really had much of a support, right? So I believe maybe over the next couple days you can see price come down, right? And then ideally, you know, create some sort of support for price to continue pushing up, you know, something like this. So over the next week or so, looks something like this. This will give that weekly candle a nice pullback to leave a nice wick, and then these two candles will be your bottom wick, right? Monday and Tuesday, bottom wick for the new weekly candle to open up and continue pushing bullish. So that's an idea, right? That's an idea that could be formulating here in the markets, something we've seen before. But all in all, we do have that break above this resistance, so we are bullish on the day. We've created a support, but again, the last time we had a support was all the way down here, right? So this was our last support, so it's you know, it's due for a nice little pullback to continue up. I think so. But regardless, price action and candles say we are bullish on the previous candle. So if we do end up breaking these highs today, I'm sure we can come up to this next resistance, right? Because at this point, this is your next resistance. This is your closure above the previous resistance, and now the daily time frame is in this range right here, right? This is the range that we're in. We have to now go down to the lower time frames and really see what this range is all about. Identify what's going on in this range. Let's take a look at the 4 hours. So 4 hour time frame, it looks like you had a resistance form here. Price came down, tried to make a support, didn't really work out in terms of pushing up. 4 hour engulfed everything to the left, and now this 4 hours made a nice top wick and pushing down here. So will we break the low? We'll see, right? If we look left, we have some sort of previous resistance right here. Let's take a look back, see what that looks like. Nothing on this one. There's one more mountaintop over here. All right, so I mean, it makes sense, right? You have this area here as well. This area going on here as well as a resistance. There's a support. So let's take a look back here. And yeah, it looks like we rejected that area once before, so we'll see what's going to happen with this 4-hour candle. In the meantime, we're going to be waiting for closures on the 1-hour time frame, right? Very rarely do we take trades based off the 4-hour, unless it's like the 9:30 NYSE. But we're gonna have to come down here to these lower time frames to find a little bit more range, right? So what do we see here on the 1-hour time frame? Well, you've got a resistance up here. You've got a same support on the 4-hour right here. See, we could have our support right here because that is the nearest level of support. But again, you always got to look left to get right? Because a lot of people are going to have this support not looking left. Everyone look left and seeing this area right here. And if we move this white line, let's see where those candles rejected off of. What do you know? They rejected off of this resistance right here. So instead of taking sells below here, why not wait the little 20-23 pips to have cleaner traffic coming down, right? Because this right here can hold you up. So we're rejecting. If we get a close below, I think that's going to be a better idea to look to take sells here today. And just remember, how did the previous daily close, right? Before you try rushing into sells today, let's remember how the previous daily closed, right? We're very bullish on the daily time frame. So you could be trying to predict that we won't go up anymore, right? But we can't predict anything. We have to watch things. Right now this candle could just be making a bottom wick to flip back bullish, re-break the highs, and continue on up today. So I'm gonna have this as my support here. If we do get a close below, I think we're good to come on down. Looks like before we have any type of hold up, it looks like we got about 50 pips here. That's probably where I'll be closing partials, going risk free, and then we're even lower down here, right? So we got more pips, almost 160 pips. So I'm gonna look to take sells below here today. And we've already created a range, right? So we were in this range right here, and yesterday we had range 2 sells below here. So look what happened. So you had the range 1 break, and then the next candle broke the lows but closed back bullish, right? It closed bullish, and then it's created a new resistance, right? What do we always talk about when we're looking for a range 2? We need a support, we need a resistance, and then we need a close below. So once we do get a close below now, we are good to go in terms of sells below this 2031 600 area, and then buys. Let's take a look at this daily again. Where's the flip? Let's mark off the flip here. So yeah, so we could take buys above here today. That would be anticipating the flip of this candle, and then we could also, there's even more buys above here. Looks clean on the 1-hour time frame. You get a close above. This candle tried to push up, close with no top wick. This one tried to sneak its head up there as well, rejected hard. So if you do happen to get a close above, there is a high chance that if this candle's doing what these other candles weren't able to do, right around NY open, NYSE open, and there's a very high chance that we'll continue up here. So I'll look for buys above there. If we can get a closure and sells below this range 2 breakout here. Look to target these areas down here. Probably probably these supports down here. 2016. Clean traffic. This is where I would look to manage risk, right? Look to take some profits off the table. Look to, put my trade, at break even, and then let a runner go. And then if you don't get the sells below here, due to us maybe not having our entry type or our setup type, then there's clean sells below here as well. So you know what I mean. So yes, that's gonna be the day. Let's draw this out. So we got buys above here, closure. Let's clone this. Buys above here, and range 2 sells below here. Or actually, we're good on the range 2. So just straight sells below there. Sweet. So what do we got? Sells below 2031 600. If we do get buys, if we get closures above 2040 and 2046, I'll continue to look for buys. And at that point, we can continue going long up until, let's take a look here. I know we had some. What is this? So outside of this right here, if we can get past that, then you know we got even more clean traffic on the way up. So these are, I'll be targeting 2058 here, 2057 here today. Let's see what that looks like on the 4 hour. Yeah, so that would also be 4 hour breaking the low as well. So if we get this close below here, you're breaking 4 hour lows, man, chances are this daily candle will close bullish at the end of the day. I mean bearish at the end of the day. So yeah, so we'll just hang tight now, wait. Also, if we do get a close above, that means that this 4 hour candle flipped, never broke the lows, flipped bullish, and may close back above the range, right, to continue up. So that's what we're gonna stick with here today. We'll get rid of this for now. And yeah, that's the plan. That's my plan here today. It's Friday, we're gonna sit back, relax, chill out, and wait. Just gonna wait. So I'm gonna stay out of this range here today. It's gonna be a no trade range for me. This range right here between 31 and 40, and then anything above 40, all the way up to like 58 here is gonna be all good money for me today. So I'll look to take advantage of all that. Where we have a bullish bias, right? If we get a close back above, high chance we just push up to at least this resistance. And then if we end up breaking there, you got super clean traffic continuing up. And then for sells, if we end up breaking these 4 hour lows and closing below this support, I'll look to take advantage of this area here from 2016 to 2031. Sound Gucci. Morning, John.
Good morning, brother.
Good morning, Tandy. What up, boys?
What is good, dog?
Oh, that's that big money energy right there, boy.
What's up, Tandy?
What up, my man? How you doing?
Tandy bringing the heat. He bringing the
Mr.
noise.
18-year-old?
Yes, that's Mr. 18-year-old to you.
That's fun.
Yeah.
How we doing today?
Good, brother. How are you?
Doing amazing, man. Excited.
Oh yeah,
Sir.
as you should be. Hey, chat. There's one. We got 649 likes. Like, can we get one more? I mean, subscribers. Can we get one more sub here? So I don't have to see 649. I mean, 650 is a little bit better, right? Even it out. Even it out here, chat. Bro, GJ, please. I got you right now. We're going to GJ. Let's see here. Bro, can you look at GJ up? Wonder if we get a Friday sell-off today. Ooh, maybe. Everyone taking their profits from the move up yesterday and this week. Very true. If the 4 hour flips bullish, or generally speaking, what what difference does it make if it had broken the lows or not? If it broke the lows, then flips bullish, then is that just a deeper liquidity grab? Yes, but it's going to be way more. It lines up a lot more with price action if we respect the low, right? If we break the low now, just like market structure, you would now look to create a new low. If you've broken the current low, there has to be a new low at some point. So if we do break these lows, chances are we're going to come down. If we don't, then chances are we just flip back. We just flip back bullish, close above the range, and then this would be basically considered your fake out on the 4-hour time frame, right? Something like this. For price to continue up. Grab all that liquidity, close bullish above the range. Next candle, you see the pump up. So if we break the lows though, there's a high chance that we continue down. And remember, nothing is 100%, right? Everything's probability. But high chance if we break this low, we continue down. If we don't and we go head back north and actually close bullish above this zone here, then very high chance we're going to continue up, right? Very high chance, not 100% it's going to happen, just a very high chance it'll happen. All right, so we got some time here. So let's take a look at GJ as well, right? So let's take a look at the weekly. Gold and pound yen are both pretty bullish here on the weekly time frame. So let's take a look here. We had a resistance right here at one point on GJ, right? You had this resistance right here where price was struggling to get above, pushed back down, had a candle just close above it, and next candle did its job, right? It came down, created a top wick, pushed up, filled this wick, and tapped into, you know, these wick areas here, right? Next candle opened up, right? I think this was your official candle to close above, this one right here. This guy closed above, but barely, right? But this one really closed above, so that's why you've seen this new low. Respect the low here, flip bullish, fill the wick pretty easily, and yeah, basically tap target at this point. I believe we're running into some rejection on the monthly time frame. Let me just take a look at that. Pretty sure we're in some sort of a rejection area here. Yeah, you see like the rejections all over here. So we've done it. We've done our job here on this bullish candle. Now, if it really wants to continue, based off of this monthly time frame, it's broken the highs here. This monthly candle could end up, you know, closing like this month. So that's something that we can kind of foresee here on pound yen. We create a support, we've broken above. If this monthly candle ends up re-breaking its high, there's a very high chance we continue up. So weekly time frame, again, you're kind of running into these levels of resistance here. Right up here, we're probably gonna get there. I would say so, man. We pushed up, we're in a nice little bullish trend here, created a nice support, nice big healthy candle. Yeah, it looks pretty decent. I know we're running into a rejection area, maybe on the daily. Oh yes, this is our problem here. Okay, so this is the problem. We spoke about this a few times about GJ, was this area right here to the left hand side, right? We seen something similar to this on gold not too long ago, and notice how pound yen is respecting this level now on the daily time frame. So what we need is a daily candle to close above here. If we can get a daily candle to close above this level here, then it is like super clean on the way up, right? All into these ranges here next to like 168, 400. So right now we're rejecting that area. We're also rejecting the bottom as well. So it doesn't look like we're able to really push, but we are bearish on the day here for pound yen. So previous daily candle closed bearish at resistance, So at the end of the day, that tells me, or price action tells me, that as long as this high respects the high here, then we should be able to continue down. Doesn't look like we may have broken the lows. Not too sure. Let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame here. So 4-hour time frame is in a bit of a range, right, where we've pushed up. We've basically established this pretty high level of support, pushed up, came down, pushed up, broke all the way down, tested this area once, came back up, tested it again, closed bearish, and now you may see this candle flip bearish and break the low here. So let's see what the 1 hour looks like. 1 hour is creating a resistance. So if you look left, you have this area right here, and it looks like price is at that area right now, seeing what it wants to do. Right? Can I close above? Can I close below? We've broken the high. We've come down now. It looks like we're going to re-break this low here. So the sells may be setting up, right? They may be setting up. If I was to look for sells here today, being that we are bearish on the daily time frame, I think we got to re-break the low. I think we got to re-break the low because every time we came down here, we pushed back up. So this can't be trusted, right? So I think we really need to break these lows here today. That would make sense on the 1 hour time frame as well if we look for sells below here. So let's mark this off. This is a range right here. Or you may be able to get some sort of resistance formed here, right? Because looking left, you have this area here as well. If you do get a close bullish back up, then chances are we're going to push up here, right? When we got a candle close, we pushed up. This candle closed above, we pushed up. Same thing, this candle closed above, we eventually pushed up, right? So if we get a candle to close above, then, you know, buys might be in play. But if we hold this level of resistance right here and close back in this range, then we can anticipate that the daily candle is going to move bearish, right? And we can look to take sells. Wrong thing. Look to take sells on this next 1 hour candle, which is, if we look at the time, that would be at NY open. Volume should be there. As long as we don't break this high, there's a very high chance we can continue down, tap into the support. And if we do break this would be the daily lows, and price can continue on down here. Move pretty good here. So potential hourly scenario here, based off of the daily, based off of the 4 hour, right? Based off of some of these higher time frames. So yeah, that's what we'll be looking for in terms of sells, potential sells below here. Sells below, and then if not there, you have even more sells below here today. And then in terms of buys, let's see, we're pretty bearish here on the daily time frame, so not going to take my buys right here. Probably would have to wait for, honestly, probably just wait for this zone. Trade in here. Yeah, that's what I'll do. This is your safest place. If you do close above there, at that point you are breaking 4 hour highs, you are breaking daily high as well. So yeah, that may change. We may lower this, but as of right now, the only thing I can see here is a really clean range right here, especially going against the daily bias, right? And then pretty decent sells below here, pretty decent sells below here today. And then in this range, I'll probably just stay out of it. Probably won't touch anything here today. Sound Gucci? I gotta grab my, so no trades here. Look to take sells below here, going along with the higher time frames. Look to take buys here. As long as we can start breaking 4 hour highs, breaking daily highs, then we should be good to pump pretty well in this area here today. Cool. Oh, Nico, time to eat. Sound goody? Buys above. Yeah, to take buys here, I would need like definitely a range too. Right, you see how this buy, this is boom, you had to have that second range, bam, and then it pushed up. Kind of same thing here, right? You had a push up and then like on a 15 or a 5, you created a new range, then you pushed up. So definitely would most likely not taking buys above there. But if I did, it would have to be range 2. It's 650. I got 650. What's 650? Why no trade zone for that range? This one? This one right here? This one right here? Oh, 650. Oh, did we? Okay, cool. Appreciate you guys subbing to the channel. Yeah, this range is going to be a no trade range because we're very bearish on the daily time frame, right? So chances are you get a close above here, you pretty much are seeing the fake out happen too, right? You have a closure above this level, price came up, broke the high, activated all buyers in this position, and now it's coming down, right? So very high chance for a fake out here, right? I know what you're thinking. Hold on. Clean traffic to the left hand side, closing above. We can come up, we can retest that resistance so easily. Ooh, but that's that's what the market wants you to think, right? That's what the market wants you to think. So yeah, there's very high chance of seeing a fake out there, which I believe you're seeing right now. So that's why this is a no trade range. We're bearish on the day. If we are going to take buys, I'm going to wait for the cleanest range I could find, and that's going to be right here. Right, this area right here, people see, oh, support being formed, a closure above, and they're going to take these buys and get activated there, go a couple pips in profit, and now back to drawdown because they fail to realize they're going against the daily bias. Right? If the daily's bearish, why be so quick to jump into buys, right? We're bearish on the daily time frame. We've created a resistance. We've created a exhaustion wick, a resistance, a nice top wick. This candle technically should continue down here today, break all these lows and then continue lower. So it doesn't make sense to take a buy on this 1 hour time frame here, because most people, this was a very small bottom wick when it opened up, so they were having their entries at the break of the high with their stops below that wick, right? Because if they're going to keep their stops below the wick, then they have to wait for the break of the high to enter. And what happened is a lot of scalpers got activated here, went in profit 5-6 pips, and now you may be involved in a fake out here, right? So that's pretty much why I would stay out of that range. Give me 1 sec. You boys know the vibes? Celsius gang. Nah. Excess, baby, excess.
For sure, excess the best.
I like this orange flavor though. Straight gas.
Word.
Good. It's good. So who we got here today? Brother Joe in the house? Brother Joe? Yeah, so we also have news here today, right? At 8:30, we have core retail sales, 2 red folders, another red folder at 10 a.m. here today. So we got a bunch of news. So we could start to see some volume dumping in and get a nice direction here. What up, Joe? Happy Friday. Happy Friday, bro. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, man. We're giving away a free 20K challenge account here pretty soon, but you have to be subscribed to the channel to win. So if you're subscribed, that'll help you out there. What up, Johnny boy? What up, Nico? Tandy, you working today? You might be working now.
No, yeah, I just got here.
Oh, nice, nice. How far is it from the crib?
Like today wasn't too bad. It was only 30 minutes, but it's usually like 50.
Oh, okay. You said it was in
yesterday.
St. Pete.
I don't know what was happening yesterday, but it took me an hour and 10 minutes to go.
Oh, wow. At what time?
At 5. So yeah, it's just that downtown area with
Yeah.
the rush hour, you know?
Yeah, yeah. No, that makes sense.
It kind of blows my mind that businesses think that it's a good idea to put themselves in the middle of a downtown district when they're not doing anything that has like foot traffic with it. I don't know.
Yeah.
It just blows my mind.
Yeah, yeah. Man, what blows my mind is that video I sent you this morning. Like, I went to the gas station to get some milk and some Celsius here, and like, I just, like, it breaks my heart, you know, and I see like people, there's a bunch of people, young people, old people, landscapers, business guys. It's still dark out, and they're at the gas station getting coffee, getting their day started. Like, you could just see the look on all their faces that they were about to go do something for the next 8, 9 hours, 10 hours, that you could just tell they weren't fired up about it, that they weren't going to enjoy it, that they were only doing it for the money. Like, oh man, that was the worst feeling for me ever. Like, that was like, that's the definition of the nightmare. And it breaks my heart, man. It breaks my heart.
But me too. Me too. But I think that's the most powerful thing in life, is the power of choice. And sometimes you have to let yourself get to that very bottom to make a change. And it sucks because you don't see a drive at all in them.
Yeah, that's the thing. Like, I remember being empty like that, you know?
Yeah,
like,
exactly.
And
you just like, you turn off your brain and you just keep on like moving on with life and doing the same shit every single day, and your brain just kind of turns off. It sucks.
Your dream turns off, right? My mentor used to tell me, like, your salary is the price they pay you for your dream.
Yeah.
And I'd be like, wow, Brian, like, that is deep, you know? And it just, man, to if you guys are trading full time, or, you know, doing what you love, building a business, building a brand, going out there every day, and it may be tough financially, but you're building the foundation, you're building the groundwork, and you're fired up every day, right? That's the most important thing. You're waking up with a dream and drive and hope, right? Man, shout out to you guys, because, you know, there's a whole world out there who are waking up at a time they don't want to wake up, going somewhere they don't want to go, driving something they don't want to drive, eating food they don't want to eat, right? Leaving their wife every day, sending their kids off to daycare, and man, it's just, and me and my wife have been preaching this since 2012, 2013, about how important it is to build yourself a business online, right? Get yourself a website, sell something, build something. Don't depend on that job that you think is so secure. Like, I think we really found out how secure our jobs were during the pandemic, and how quick people were to just write other people off. And it just, I think a lot of the world has woken up to that at this point. But man, we were preaching on deaf ears for a long, long time, and now people are starting to wake up, which is great. That's why I always poured into my brothers too. Like, never wanted to see any of them, have to go through that, right? Or live with that, or think that that's okay, like that conformity, right? That's why I put these guys on with books and freaking Earl
100%.
Nightingale, and because
100%.
if it's not for us, right? Like, a lot of people, once they become adults, they stop dreaming. They stop dreaming, right? How come you have such big dreams when you're a kid, but when you break up, when you grow up, you start, losing that dream, man. And that dream is the most important. The man, if you haven't got down on your knees today and thank God for the dream that's in your heart, man, go do that. Like,
For real.
you gotta be thankful. Every day I'm so thankful I have a dream. So thankful that I never gave up on that dream. My friends that have known me, people that have known me know, man, over the last 10, 12 years, like, I'm just, it's a different Nick, right? Like, once that dream sparked in me again, that was it. I've been after it ever since. I've been hooked ever since. And like, just, man, we need to talk more about dreams and goals as adults.
Any dream that you have, God's giving you the chance to turn that dream into reality here, right now, in this moment in your life right now.
Yeah.
So just let's get to it. Let's be grateful for the opportunity that God gave us. God all wants to see us succeed in life because He loves us so much. So damn well He gave you the ability to turn dreams into reality.
Facts.
Let's do it.
Yeah, man. Men, you need to start dreaming again. You need to start dreaming again for your family, for your wife, for your kids. It's time to stop the mundane day after day, every day, right? And if you're on this stream, you most likely have a dream and a goal. But I really want to stress how important it is. It is so important, man. Too many people, they grow up, they develop an ego, and they lose the dream. And
then they just settle for average.
And they settle, and they look around and they say, everyone's eating Doritos. It shouldn't be that bad for me. Everyone's working a job. It's, everyone drops their kids off at daycare. Like, everyone's doing that. But man, I thank God every day that I was around a group of people who preached freedom and who talked about, living a different life, right? Living a life of freedom, staying home with your kids, teaching your kids yourself, traveling the world. Like, I have a picture right here. It says, so it's let me know if you guys can see this. It's a picture of Bora Bora, and on it I wrote, Thursday, no job, just income. Right? And we have to start dreaming again for our family, man.
100%.
If you don't have a dream board, or dreams you're looking at, man, put them on the fridge. Let your kids see mom and dad are dreaming.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy how dreams can just get crushed, like, through the process of being an adult. Like, it's sad to see.
It is. And then your kids are watching. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, if you got kids in here, your kids are watching. And they're watching good. And you guys know that. You guys know they're watching. Are they seeing a mommy and daddy that's fired up every day, chasing the dream, spending time with people, pouring into people, helping others? Or are they seeing mommy and daddy just backing down to the system, right? Conforming to society's rules. They need to change their beliefs. Sometimes that doesn't happen until the bottom, If you're even in this chat right now, you already have the desire to change and took the first step to separate yourself from the conformity. Up. Someone needs to do it. Society will break down if everyone's a trader. Yes, exactly. So, and you don't have to have a dream of trading. Like, I'm not saying you have to have dreams and goals to be a multi-million-dollar trader, right? But you should have dreams and goals to be excited in life. I don't care if you work at a gas station. If you're working at a gas station, but every single night you're reading before bed, every single night you're getting your mind right, in the morning you're going to the gym, you're eating well, you have some goals in life. It doesn't matter how much money you make. Money's fake, by the way, guys. Money's fake. Like, if no one's told you yet, money is fake. And the fact that people literally slave their whole day every day for it is just mind-blowing, right? Go listen to the Real Anthony's World. He had a talk about how money's fake. Like, do you guys understand we're printing money on the charts? You guys understand that money just comes out of nothing, right? I mean, like, it's flows from the markets into your bank account when you know how to trade, right? You know that you can sit here, and you guys have seen dudes like Raja and some of my other buddies. My other buddy made $100,000 in, like, I think it was like a month or two, just recently. Normal guy, normal dude. Made almost $100,000 in 2 months on the charts, right? Some people are working 2-3 years, a year to 3 years to make that type of income that he made in 2 months or a month or whatever it was.
Seriously.
So what's your perspective? What's your relationship with money? You know, do you think it's hard to come by? If you do think it's hard to come by, then guess what? Chances are it's probably going to be hard to come by.
Oh yeah. Think and Grow Rich said a poverty-conscious mind will never bring you any riches ever.
Yeah. Yeah, and when I say being fired up, living the dream, I don't necessarily mean having a lot of money. There's a lot of people with a lot of money who their lives, I would never trade places with them. Their lives suck and they're miserable. And there's poor people who I meet on the street that I talk to that are homeless, that sometimes I just want to be like, I want to be that guy. Like, he has so much peace right now. He is so in tune with what's actually happening in his own mind. Man, it's not about money, trust me. No. But money does do a little bit of helping, you know, especially if you're looking to, you know, be an impact in the world and help other people. There's a lot of great things you could do with money. My mentor always told me, money is not good nor bad. It just takes on the characteristic of the person who has it. Very simple. If you're a good person, you could do a lot of great things with money. If you're a bad person, you're probably going to do bad things with money. It's simple as that.
Facts, brother.
Money though has no, it's not good or bad. But yes, we do need people to change our tires and do our oil changes and all that good stuff. If you're not chasing a goal outside of work, life can be depressing. Yeah, exactly. So if you're working too, like, that's what I did for years. I was working, but I had hope every day because I was building a business outside of my job. I was building a business outside of, so every single morning I'd be fired up because I knew, hey, after work, I get to go out and build my business, get to go out and get one step closer to my dream, you know? So I had that hope. So there's nothing wrong with working a job. Working a job is amazing, right? You have to do what you have to do. But what I'm saying is a lot of those guys, they didn't have anything that they were looking forward to. They didn't have another vehicle that they were using to make themselves more happy. You could just tell in their eyes that was it, man. They were going to work, they were coming home, and they were doing it all over again. And most people, where they could be building their dream from 9 to 5 you make a living, from 5 to 9 you build a life. But a lot of people from 5 to 9 are being lazy, and they're being, you know, manipulated by television and TV shows and all this BS that's going on out there. So,
for real.
But if you're out there grinding a job and getting out of work and going hustling your own thing, man, shout out that you're a warrior. You're a warrior. I used to do that. I'd be in my work clothes. I get out of work. I hop in the car, change my whole outfit, put on slacks, button up. My brothers know this. My brother Joe knows this. My brother John knows this. Everyone who knows me personally knows that you know, it just did whatever it took, man.
Oh yeah, I saw that. Switch flipping you years and years ago, bro. You know.
Yep. But it's not about me. It's about you guys, right? And you know, I love sharing this because I really want to see people be free. I really want to see people, you know, move on with their dreams and goals. Okay, so we have the NY open here. So let's get back to the charts. Gold looking like it's not going to close below. Wait here for this 30-minute time frame. And pound yen, 1 hour is going to close here on GJ. Maybe interested in these sells here. We'll see how gold closes as well. Today's trend is bullish or bearish? Well, we're bullish on gold. And we are bullish on pound yen. Or, yeah, bullish on pound yen. Oh, no, I'm sorry. We're bearish on pound yen, bullish on gold. That's right. But gold has already kind of established a range too here. So I really wanted to see if we can get a candle to close. GJ's not bad though. Little fake out back into the range. Let's see if we get a bottom wick. Gold has basically had sells below here yesterday with a range 2, or maybe this is where it happened, but it looks like we've created a new support, a new resistance. So this is our second range now, right? Because if we're in range 1 right here, right, range 1, this is going to be range 2. So if we can get sells below here, I think that'll be pretty clean. But it doesn't look like it's going to close below. We got about 1 minute left. Yeah, this ain't too bad. We need a top wick though. We need a pullback. I mean a bottom wick here. 4 hours flipping bearish. 30-minute move down pretty nice here. Yeah, gonna need a bottom wick. Just because it's hard, people will literally not even try, yeah. Or they'll try for like a week or two and then they'll stop and then they'll try again and try again. Do you ever trade silver? If not, why not? No, I've never traded silver, and no reason in particular, just never even looked at it. But no specific reason or anything like that. Just never watched it. Never thought about it. All right, let's take a look at this 4 hour here on pound yen. So GJ pushed down here. I really wanted a closure like up here, so we had this room to trade. If we end up breaking these lows, I may be interested, but we do need a steeper top wick. Gold unfortunately closed right above the range here, so nothing we could do on that. you can say it closed above most recent, closed below most recent, but a little weary about this area here. We've rejected it a few times as well. See if we get a steep top wick here on pound yen, and then maybe interested in having sell stops at the break of these lows here. But gonna need a steeper top wick than that. We also, there's a 30-minute support here. Let's see here. Morning, friends. Morning, Mathis. Is that how you say it? Mathis. Mateus. Mathis. Hazram. Good morning, Hussein. How you doing? Hassan. Hussein. Not sure how you say that. Hey, good morning, Austin. What's up, brother? Happy Friday, fam. Yeah, this isn't much of a range either here, chat. So I have it stretched out a bit, but I mean, this wick right here is 23 pips. So stops are gonna be 19. So if we can get a steeper top wick here, we could probably use current candle stops. Volume coming in. Yeah, news is also coming out here in 20 minutes. Hey Nick, I've watched you live a few times. Had a question, how exactly does your strategy work? I understand the zones, but as soon as it's broken out of the zone and close above or below the next candle, you buy or sell, right? Can you show an example? I would be very grateful. Yeah. So for instance, on gold, we were looking for this candle right here to close below the range, right? So let's say you get a candle to close below the range. If it looks like this, I won't take a position. And the reason I won't take a position is because there's no bottom wick on this candle. And what no bottom wick on the candle means is there's no range for the next candle to drive. Like you see this candle right here, closed with very, very little bottom wick. The next candle wasn't able to drive down, it pushed up. Same thing here, right? You look at here, you have very, very, very little bottom wick. This next candle wasn't able to drive, it pushed up. What else? What else? No bottom wick on this one. Next candle broke the lows, ended up closing bullish, and then the candle drove down. Yeah, this candle right here, no top wick. Next candle pumped up, but eventually drove down, right? So when a candle has a wick, that means that it has a range for price to fill. So chances are, if the candle has no wick, then it becomes a 50-50 chance that the candle will end up, the next candle will actually end up driving. And we don't like to take 50-50 trades. We like to take, our setup, which is more like 85-15. So now if this candle was to close bearish like this, then I would highly be interested in taking the sell, because now we have a range, right? We have a wick to fill here. So you have a new range for price to come down to. So now if you get a top wick on the next candle, chances are you're gonna fill this wick. And if you do break this wick, then chances are you're gonna continue down, especially in times of volume. So the setup has to be there, but it has to be, the closure, yeah, the closure can be there, but the setup also has to be there, which is, on a bearish candle, we're going to need a bottom wick. So nothing here on GJ yet. Really want to see a wick come up here. Re-break the high, come back up, re-break the lows. That'll probably be our best bet. News in 27 minutes. News is in 27 minutes. What up, FB? How you doing? How you doing? Hi, Nick. Hi, Green. Yeah, you see gold pushing up here. Close that resistance. Now, we can still break these lows, but we're not going to take an impulse entry here. All right, as long as this candle here, as long as this bullish candle right now respects the high, then price could still flip bearish, break the low, and literally drop down here. So let's see what happens. But can this be our daily bottom wick, or will we continue down? We have not broken these 4-hour lows, right? This candle could reflip bullish, close above the range at 9 a.m. and we would most likely be pushing all the way back up at that point. And we already discussed that, right? We talked about that this morning. We are aware. Nano, thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. If you guys aren't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Come vibe with us every day, Monday through Friday. We're here. We got 650 right now subscribers. Can we get to 700? Can we do it? All right, let's see this here. All right, chat, I'm gonna have some sell stops here. If we re-break this 4-hour low, then this 4-hour should continue to drive to fill this wick down here. Let's put something here. So that 4-hour low is right here. So I'm gonna have sell stops on the break of this low here. We got a pretty decent top wick on the 1 hour, pretty decent top wick on the 30. That's really where I wanted to see this wick. And if we re-break the low, so not the current low, but this wick right here, that's where I'm at my sell stops below, because that's the 4-hour low there. Let me just make sure. Yeah, it's gonna be that wick right there. So yeah, I'm gonna have some sell stops there. Even better. So yeah, so chances are if we break this 4-hour low again, we will continue down. If not, if we shouldn't break that low and push back up, is what I'm saying. Like if we're gonna break the low, then you know, it should continue down. Stops are going to be this yeah, stops are gonna have to be this 1-hour high here. So about 32 pips stop, and then let me just make sure this is at least. If we use 30-minute stops, then we got 20 pips for about 33 pips here. 30-minute. So if we use 30-minute highs, we got a 20 pip stop. If we respect the high here and break the low, then I think I'll just use these 30-minute stops and yeah, use those that way, because 1 hour stops are pretty steep. 4 hour stops are pretty, oh, the 1 hour and the 4 hour are the same. Yeah, you know what, I think I'm gonna use these 1 hour stops here because that's the 4 hour as well, and that's probably gonna be our safest bet. And then if we do get activated and push back up, if we the way we could manage risk is if we close above this range here, we could just manage risk and cut the trade. You know, if we happen to get activated like this on this bottom wick and then push back up and close above this area here, then we can manage our risk. But other than that, it's respecting this high. Should be good. This 15-minute candle is going to close. See how we close here. See what gold's doing. Nada. Can it be current candle high once it breaks? Yes. Never broke previous 30-minute lows and moved up. Good confirmation if it re-breaks. Yeah. Yeah, it's coming up to the 30-minute high here. So we'll see what happens. If we break the 30 high, we'll just delete it and hold off. New 15-minute candle is going to open up here in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. But based off of the 30-minute, based off of the 1 hour, right? You had a resist, a break above, break below, liquidity, boom up, come create a resistance. If it re-breaks that low, very high chance it'll continue down. That's also going to be the 4 hour low as well. So pretty decent in my book. We are at 15-minute support, that's one thing. And then there is a 30-minute support as well here to the left. So, but I doubt we break the lows again and not continue down, right? If we are gonna re-break the lows, then chances are we're gonna push up and push down. So we'll see if we break 30 highs. If we do, we'll delete them. And scratch that idea. Dum, 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 dum. Oh. Alright, so let's see if we can get activated. $650 subs, let's go. Nice. Let's go.
Congrats, brother.
Hey, yo, oh, hey, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está?
Bien, aquí, Dominicano.
What's good, my dude?
Blessed, bro. Happy to be here.
Bro, what a blessing today is, eh?
Yes, bro. It's a beautiful day here.
Beautiful day. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Freedom calls. Freedom calls.
Yes, sir. Can we get activated and it's back to Vegas? Oh. Can we get activated? Use the bathroom real quick. Like this man deserve more. Yo, Nikolowski. What's good, my dude? Oh, damn. Nikolowski's in the house. 4-3. Bang. W. Hey, chat. Nikolowski's here. W. W. Gold pushing up, never close below that support, man. Never close below. That's good. This could be the low here for gold today. Nice bottom wick. 4 hour flipping bullish, kind of like we were talking about. 1 hour pumping up. 30-minute pumping up. Nice. GJ pumping down. Where am I looking for TP? So here's what I'm gonna do. We talked about managing a losing position. If we get activated, then I will probably look to go break even right around 10 pips here. Once we hit these supports. So we start hitting these supports, probably move stops to break even, then see if we could let it run to fill the wick here, like 23 pips. And then you got about 30, 35 pips down here. CRIMC2, Crim C2, Crim C2. Hey, new fan of this live. Yeah, appreciate you stopping by. Appreciate you plugging in. We're here every single morning. All day, every day. Nah, just kidding. Just here for the New York session. 820. Should have some volume here on gold. There you go. You see the push. Comics open. Man, if news wasn't in the way, and we get a close above, that'd be beautiful. Gold up, yeah, gold should go up. 4 hours flipping bullish again, never broke the lows here. Perfect. Let's be patient here, chat. Patience. Patience, patience. Absolutely love what Donvo posted yesterday on Twitter. Wow. If that doesn't display what we do here on a daily basis, because remember, I learned a lot from him. So I really do trade by those rules, and man, just for you guys to hear from somebody else should be awesome.
Oh yeah.
Absolutely love that. Don said the only real secret to trading is patience. Waiting, watching, resisting impulses, controlling emotions every day for several hours a day for years on end is not easy, it's necessary. Holy, that's a mic drop right there.
Bars.
Mic drop.
Don's always dropping gems though.
Always. Keeping the sell stops for the news? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I think what we can do though here, chat, is delete them until the news. Because we don't want to get activated here before the news. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just delete the sell stop. I got it deleted right there, and then maybe we get this 30-minute celery play. So the news shouldn't really affect GJ too much. We should get some volume, but it's not gonna like boom, you know. So I think what we could do is we could replace them once this 30-minute candle closes, and we'll wait for a celery play here. So we'll wait for this candle to close very similar to what it looks like, get a top wick, and then once we re-break these lows now, then we should have a nice smooth ride on the way down. And the reason I say that too is because there's a 15-minute support here, and when does price like to break through supports and resistances? During times of volume. Right, so if we haven't gotten the volume just yet, then chances are it'll come in this next 30-minute candle, and then we can get the celery play, which the fake out back into the range is about an 82% win rate, but the celery is more like a 92% win rate. So I'd rather be in a 92 than an 82, right? 82 is still great, but being that it's getting pretty close to the closure here, why not wait for a better probability setup? Let's look back at gold. So yeah, chat, deleted these sell stops for now. Gold pushing, pushing. Man, I could almost just say like, close your eyes and press buy on gold right now, but you didn't hear that from me. News will most likely take us up. Sure, it's bad news about the dollar, and that's where we'll probably be able to start our run here today. Right down here. This could be our final support here for blast off. 1 hour also has no top wick on this candle. 4 hour looking good. Spreads are probably going to jump pretty high here in 5 minutes. I want to keep an eye on the spread. Ding ding. Hey, Nico got his magic keys. Nico's ready. Oh my god, my spreads are already going up. 5 pips spread here on gold. Sheesh. 4 pip, 4 or 5, 3.8, 4.8. Wow. So that's another thing you gotta be aware of, chat. Spreads, right? When news comes in, spreads go up. Wow, man, 5 pips.
What's pound yen?
I'm going from 3 to 5. Pound yen is 1 pip. 1 pip spread on pound yen. I'm gonna keep this stuff ready here on pound yen, chat. So same sell stops. Excuse me. We got a few minutes here. Ready to rock. Where are you now? A nice close like that would be perfect. Just a little bullish. Break those lows, be good. Been following your strategy for a week. Tried on demo account starting from 100K. Ended up in 570,000. That's amazing, bro. Wow. Imagine, oh my God, 570K in a week. Sheesh. You need to get yourself a 100K account, my friend, Jason. Yeah, the system works, right? The strategy works. Otherwise, we wouldn't be trading it, right? We wouldn't be up here with a stream and everything if we didn't have a solid system. So, as a matter of fact, that was one of the things I was really waiting on, was to really make sure, you know, I had a year's worth of data, over a year's worth of results on this system. So we got 2 minutes left in this candle. Not too concerned. I mean, if this thing drives right now, it is what it is. But that would have, no, we wouldn't have been activated yet. No, I'm not in. I deleted my sell stops. So I'm gonna re-add them on a close of this candle. If we can break the low on the next candle, that'd be best. Spreads on GJ right now are still 1 pip, so we shouldn't be affected. So I'm gonna wait for this candle to close, and then I'm gonna re-add these sell stops. So my finger is ready to add them on. Beautiful, beautiful. Preparing for takeoff. All right. Oh, too quick, shit. Damn. What happened here? Oh, damn, chat. That happened too quick. You guys heard, I didn't get activated there. Oh. Oh, damn. That might have been a good thing. Oh, wow, look at that gold pump right away. Oh, wow, good thing. Oh, damn. Did anyone get activated in that?
Nope.
Yeah, that thing popped quick, so I didn't get a chance to get in there. That's called over leveraging. Oh, wow. Holy. Holy. Gold dropping? Oh, snap. Oh, damn. Oh. GJ pumping. Oh my god, yeah, so many stop losses just got taken out on pound yen. If you're... Oh. How many Celsius do you drink a day? Like two of them. Nah. Bro, Scott put me on, now I'm hooked. Scott put me on with this orange flavor. I got all the flavors. I like this one the best. Damn, Scott. Bad influence, man. And then of course, I had to run into this video by Carnivore MD, who I look up to in terms of what I put in my body, and he's like, Celsius. Well, let's see what's wrong with it. So he basically said this fluton, what is it? Sericlos? Something like that. Cerulos? Basically, he's like, yeah, that'll lead to pre-diabetic. I'm like, all right, I guess I gotta stop drinking these things. So the best is I have my own website with my own energy drinks, and they're a lot better, but I just haven't ordered any. I've just been going to the store and buying a Celsius like an idiot. Excess energy, look it up. Excess energy. 0 carbs, 0 sugar, loaded up with vitamin B12, ginseng, echinacea, amazing.
Amway. That's an Amway drink.
Yes, sir. The best of the best. Amway has the best products in the country, maybe in the world.
Facts.
Yo, for real. Fake sugar. Oh, damn. You carnivore, Nick? Yeah. I'm a carnivore. I'm keto. Hi, keto. I'm carnivore.
Yo, I'm about to head out of here.
No. Don't leave.
For real, bro.
It's Friday.
I know, bro. It's terrible.
School should be illegal to have on Friday.
Right?
Damn.
But that's, bro. I don't want to go, bro. It's crazy. It's crazy how I'm being forced to go, you know?
June's coming, man.
Yes, sir. Just excited for June.
Facts.
Yeah.
All right, brother.
Word, bro. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah,
Peace,
call me
boys.
later, bro. Hope you have a great day.
I bet. You too, bro. Peace, chat. Have a good weekend, y'all.
Later.
Peace.
Oh, Uncle
Gotcha.
Scalp's here. Later, Johnny boy. What up, homie?
Peace out, John's iPhone.
Peace, John's iPhone. Later, John's iPhone. All right, so we let the news come out here, let it settle down, and then we should be able to find positions here today. Vegan. Ooh, vegan. The cow that I eat, he's vegan. So he gets all the veggies for me. What's the move on GJ? GJ looks like it's pumping up here. That's what it's looking like to me. But yeah, we never broke the low here. Never broke the low. Oh wow, look at this daily candle. GJ is really pushing up here. So yeah, I'll be looking for buys above here on pound yen. I won't be taking these buys. Unless we get a range 2 here, then I won't be taking those buys. Just because we're very bearish here. This might be the trickery, right? Push back up to drop all the way back down. Who else is on Zoom land today? Can't see Zoom. Can't see you guys when the cameras are off. Hey, there he is, Pablo Nico Escobar right there. Look at that. Beautiful Dominican Republic. Got a nice car. Man, it's chilling. Man's living. Hey. Oh, Jay's here. What up, Jay? Jay Sniper.
What up, my man?
Bing, 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 bing. What up, homie?
Challenging.
Yeah, happy Friday.
Happy Friday to you. I was actually in those cells, dude. They just look so good off the 4 hour.
Which one?
It never. Gold.
Oh, gold cells?
Yeah, once it pumped and it didn't break that 4 hour, bro. I had 4 hour stops like above that wick, and then it's beautiful all the way back down to 230.
Good job, bro. Nice.
Yeah. I was looking for it because the 4 hour and the hourly were very bearish, so it made sense for it to want to come down.
Yeah, the only drawdown you probably had was just this little push up here, right?
Yep, and it wasn't even that much because it kind of pushed and then it like completely melted. Like I think it just tried to like get all those stops like above there.
Yeah.
Like above that doji candle, and then it just ripped down.
Where were your stops?
My stops were above 2040 the 4 hour.
24. So this one or this one?
The bullish one.
This one.
Yes.
Oh, nice. Yeah. Yeah, respected that high, drop back down. Very nice.
But it's a liquidity grab because we're starting to push back up bullish here.
Yeah, man. We got our bottom wick here on the daily now.
Yup. And it's rejecting the 13 EMA, closing back inside the range. I think the buys are going to play out here in a second.
Yeah, grabbed all that liquidity down here, man.
So now it's a good call for you to say, close your eyes and press buy.
There you go. Now close them and press buy. Yeah, because a lot of people, what they did was they closed their eyes and pressed buy here, and their stops are below here, and then they got wicked out. That's why we don't trade news, right, chat? You know, we are bullish, but we're not going to trade that 3 red folder or 2 red folder news release because that's what you'll experience, right? A nice wick down, take mad money sitting in here. All the smart money, right? Isn't this what they teach? Smart money? Enter down here, some shit. Smart Raja. Yeah, we really want to see this candle. This 4 hour candle close bullish. That'd be beautiful. Life is for the living. Shots by Smooth. Facts. Welcome to the land of the living. I love that. Just comes in, just drops some smooth line. Shots by Smooth drops a nice smooth line. Ain't that the truth, man? What's he called again? Who? Oh, Nico? Yeah, that's Nico Escobar right there. He even sounds like an Escobar. Throwing money around. Hey, Pastor Lafetti, man.
I had a wild night, man.
Oh, I bet. My man lives in Punta Cana. Sure, every night's wild over there.
Yeah.
That's dope.
Yes, sir. If you need some Punta Cana real estate, he's your boy. We're gonna be
Yes,
talking
sir.
soon, my man.
Yes, sir.
It may be sooner than we think, depending on this next election.
I thought you were gonna
Damn sure.
cancel, bro. All right,
Facts.
cool.
Everybody vote Trump. Let's get this stock back up. I'm just saying. Let's not. I'm not gonna say anything. I don't want to get Nick kicked off the stream for political reasons.
You don't want to say the T word
I don't
on
want to
the
say
internet.
vote. I don't want to say the.
You
people
gotta get us
must
kicked
not be
off.
me.
You gotta get us banned for fucking false
You
information.
say the T word on the internet, you're
Nah, bro.
done.
You just mentioned his name. You get kicked out, bro.
That's what I'm saying. They just passed, or they're trying to pass this law right now, which is basically they're going to be able to, I mean, they're already doing it, but censor pretty much anything and everything online.
Oh yeah. That's fucking.
So
stupid.
they're trying to fight it right now.
Well, hopefully they win, and then everybody kind of sees it, and then like a decentralized applications come out where they don't follow by rules, and then everybody goes back to doing their own thing again.
Farming and raising their own chickens and raising their own kids. Imagine that. Raising your own kids. Sheesh.
Can't do that.
What a
anymore.
concept. Nowadays, you drop it off to some 18-year-old chick, you have no idea what her life is even about. She's going to raise your kid all day. Ain't going to happen.
Dude.
Not
Some of
going to
these young
happen.
girls, bro, be wilding, bro. There's some like podcast, like interviews out there. These young ass chicks just talking about, like, I'm like, damn, you girls are wilding even harder than some of the old girls I used to know back in the day.
Your kid's sitting in a shitty diaper while the daycare center's on TikTok making videos.
Making videos.
Scary, man. Scary. Muzamil, good morning. Did I miss anything? Oh my God, you missed 108 minutes here of absolute gems. You gotta rewind it back.
Run that back.
Run that back. In the time of the Great Reset, gotta go back to the basics. Yeah, man. Back to the basics we go.
Get your gold, silver, copper.
Yep.
Don't get caught holding that dollar.
Yeah.
Although it probably won't do much to us because we are still going to be using the dollar. But
Yeah.
as a fact of it being a power currency in the world, don't get caught holding that shit. You're better off holding Bitcoin.
Unless you're out in Ghana, right? Shot by Smooth. He's like, I'm rich over here.
Soon they're gonna bounce off the dollar too.
Yeah, I
They've
know.
made ties with Brazil and Russia
Yep.
to start trading with them.
I've seen that.
So-
I've seen that.
It ain't like it's gonna be like, oh, the U.S. is the only thing we can use. Like, fuck those guys. That old bastard has really fucked up the currency.
Man, we took some steps back here, man.
No, we went
Some
way
big,
back.
some giant steps.
We went way back. We went from America being great to America being depressed.
Crazy, man. All right. Hey, we got more sells below here. If we can close below this support right here, that's going to be pretty clean. That's the cleanest area anyway. Especially
Careful,
being
looks like it's making a daily bottom wick.
especially being bullish on the day, we want to wait for at least something closing below. Like we've had this range now, right? We've broke through it, and then we created this range right here, and now we're breaking through that range. So if you do get a close below here, very high chance we can fill this range here down here. Because
This is the breakout zone.
yeah, one thing about this this daily time frame is I can totally see us pushing down, right? We're pulling back a little bit on the weekly. If this weekly candle, what we were talking about earlier about this weekly candle closing up and then us being able to kind of close bearish, over the next couple weeks to push back up, to get more momentum now to push up. Something like that. Same thing with the daily based off this monthly time frame. I think we could see that. And if this weekly candle decides to close like pretty bearish, then the daily candle should probably, be able to pump down over the next couple days for the new weekly candle to create a bottom wick. We are driving here. This was probably clean off the 5. That's about all I see. 15-minute nothing. GJ pumping. Gold is pumping. GJ pumping. Both going against their daily biases here today. Pretty interesting. Word, some of those international waters looking good as long as you're diverse. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, DR is looking good. My wife, her family's from there, so might be a vibe.
It's a vibe, bro.
It's a vibe. Not. It might not. It might. It is a vibe.
No.
Nick, if you see DXY, it made weekly double bottom and then fly. I know we don't trade on patterns, but it works, you know? Yeah, absolutely. For sure. The Dixie. It all works. Dixie pushing up, gold pushing down, makes sense. Pretty clean. I guess it's another day waiting for the 4-hour here. We've had news at 8:30 last 2 or 3 days here. GJ pumping. pumping. Yeah, buys above here on pound yen are good money, man.
Yo, when is the what do you call that shit? The summit?
The summit's in June, I believe, right?
In June?
Uncle Scout?
June 9th to the 11th.
June 9th. I gotta get tickets for that.
It's in Miami?
Yes.
You guys out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I booked my hotel and
Yeah, I'm gonna go.
Oh shit! Are you gonna have a hotel party, bro?
Yeah, we have a hotel party.
Not unless he wants that security money back.
I got that BYOB. We won't wreck the.
Nah, we would never do that.
We'll get the FIP squad. We'll have a hotel party.
Go to the HQ. I was actually just watching a video here.
For it. So I actually want to go now. And also I figured out that I got a shit ton of points on my Sapphire card that I need to use up.
Oh, okay. There you
Yeah,
go.
I'm about to go buy me a plane ticket.
This guy.
Book it now, you all. Book it now, you all.
Book it.
Book it now.
We used to listen to this guy in a business that I used to build, and we used to book meetings all the time. He'd be like, "Book it Monday night, book it Tuesday night, book it." He's like, "Sunday night, book it anyway. Just book it." I used to listen to this thing like every day, bro. Like, just book the meeting. I think, is this it right here? No. Book it. Oh, here it is.
Wait, what is that up? You said that?
Bucket.
You said that? Is that on YouTube?
I think so.
Oh my god.
Kind of sounds like it's like fucking.
Yo, this guy was crazy, dude.
Hey, he's amped though.
Listen.
Oh my god. I need that.
Big girlfriend giving you a hard time. Bucket.
Tuesday night, bucket. Wednesday, bucket. Bucket week 2. Bucket. Oh man. Yo,
You gotta send me that immediately.
bro. Classic, dude.
That's great.
Absolute classic. Absolute classic right there. Yup. Shot by Smooth knows. He knows. Man, that guy was wild. Multi-millionaire though. Men, you got your lady complaining. There's not enough money. What are you gonna do? Bucket! Yo, he was great.
Bucket.
I love when he's like, bucket! He just like spazzes out. When we hit 2031, we had a big drop like this. I still think we are bullish and are going to form support, maybe. I
Well, if
really
you look
think.
at the daily, you see that we respected the daily low and we're starting to push back up.
Yeah, let's take a look.
Just saying.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that's our daily low down here, I believe. 100, just book it. Facts. You need that as a sound for the stream. Facts. Book it. Yo, going in, no excuses. Yo, that was a classic, man. Shot by Smooth, I'm happy you're on here so I could reminisce with you for a sec. That was great. Bucket. We used to do this thing called phone team with the group every Sunday night, and we would all throughout the week we would gather people, we would make connections, gather people's numbers, and try and book out the week ahead. And I would listen to that audio every Sunday night on the way to phone team, and come with a notebook packed of numbers, and try and just be the top dog there and book it. Just try and book it. I'm like, all right, man, I'm gonna book it. So we booked it all right. We were booking it and booking it and booking it. Wow, man. Pretty interesting here. It's a Friday. It's a gold Friday here, chat. Appreciate you guys coming by the channel though. If you give us a like, give us a subscription to the channel, and show up, man. Instead of booking it, just show up. Show up week 1, show up week 2, show up week 3. Your wife complaining? Show up. Show up Monday, show up Tuesday, show up Wednesday, show up Thursday, show up Friday. Just show up, ladies and gents. Half the battle. Daniel, what's going on? Happy Friday, my man. Waniel's in the building.
Waniel.
Scotty. Bro, do you see GJ pushing up to 166,800? Well, I see it pushing up right now, but 166,800 is up here. So I think if we do decide to move bullish here on pound yen, yeah, we could probably see 166,800. That's my target today. If we get a close above this level here. I'm gonna be waiting for a closure above because at any point within this range here, we can see a fake out. We could see a fake out happen. And plus you have a resistance here, right? You have a resistance here. You have resistance here. So it's really not worth it to play around in this range. You know, the candle has to get up there somehow, right? So it's got to clear the range if it's going to, but I'd rather not be in. I'd rather let the candles do the work for me and blast through this area and see if it could actually make it and close above. Then I would look to put my money on the line here today. Right? You got to remember, you're not just taking a trade. You're exposing your capital. Right? So are you willing to expose your capital right here with a resistance right here, resistance right here, all rejections right here? You know? That's how you got to think of it. Trading's a business. You don't want to lose money in business, right? And the reason it makes it tougher is because the daily time frame is bearish. So if we break this high and close above, there's a high chance we can continue pushing. But I'm not going to enter any buys in this range right here. Bit choppy. I'm in at 165,466. 165,466. Nice. Where the heck is that? Oh damn, you must have been in for hours. Here it is.
Like
466 right here.
4 in the morning.
That was 4 a.m. So you've been in there for 5 hours at this point. Sniped it. Oh, he sniped it. Looks like a snipe to me. Nice. Nice job. So you're sitting about what, 65 pips up here. 65 pips, right? I'd personally probably be looking to secure something here as you run into this
this rejection area.
This jungle here. They're waiting for you. But hold it if you want, because if you do end up pushing through and get a closure above, man, that's gonna be a beautiful position, because that's when you'll see your pump up here.
What is your stop loss right now? Is it under that 4 a.m. candle?
Oh, no top wick here. Break even. Yeah, that's smart.
Oh,
yeah, so we got a closure here on gold. Close below this zone here.
Was your stop loss originally below that 4 a.m. candle?
Let's see here. So we got to close below here on gold. You got clean traffic to the left. We've broken 4-hour lows. New 4 hours just opened up. So let's give this a little bit of time. Ideally, we would love to see a celery play here at 9:30. If we can get that, then I'd be interested in taking sells, filling this wick for about 70 pips here. But gonna wait a little bit. I'm not gonna enter right off of the rip here on the 4 hour because we can come up to create a top wick at, you know, any level here. So would like to see a top wick up in this area. If we can get a top wick up there, or we can get this candle to close weak bullish below the range here, then we could look to take our sells coming down at 9:30 here. So let's see. $20 pips below. Don trading mad, lost another 65 pips, making me not use sell stops at the break of the lows. Not sure what that means. Uh-oh, don't leave without us here. Please, please. Come on, come back bullish. We wanted to make a low like that, right? So now we got the low. Now we want this candle to close. As long as it closes below, it doesn't matter if it's bullish or bearish. When the NYSE opens, we can have sell stops at the break of this low, and volume should be able to dump us. Right, volume should be able to pump us down, and if we don't break the low, then chances are we'll close back above the range and then probably start to push up again. So that's why I don't want to have any orders right now, because this candle could easily close back above, right, and then we can continue to run in the direction of the daily time frame here. So just gonna wait, right? If it drives, it drives. It's totally fine. I'm perfectly fine with just hanging out here today and not taking a trade. If the setup comes up, you know, we'll be in there. But we this is a new 4 hour candle and we're only 3 minutes into it. So he actually lost 20K. I'm telling you, that's light for Don. Morning, Sam.
What's the word? Yeah, I was a little late. I was trading the London session.
Hey, I seen that.
I got hit break even.
You got break even. I seen that. Man, and then it freaking drove, dude.
Dude, this week has been screwing me. Well, I took a little loss on something I would have potentially like 5x, but then today break even. I mean, whatever it is, it is.
Yeah, it is what it is.
I have to manage risk.
Yeah. It was a good attempt, right? I mean, it wasn't bad going risk free at that point. Yeah, I took it to break even
because if you look, and like I think I posted the 5 minute chart.
Mm-hmm.
The candle came down. Excuse me, sorry. Candle came down, closed with like a little bottom wick. The next one went, and then reverse, and then it tapped my break even, and then it came.
Yeah, I seen that. I seen that. Hey, at least you went risk free and didn't have to lose anything.
In the week. Yeah.
He actually, yeah, like I said, that's probably light work for him at this point. I'm sure he ain't worried about it. And if he ain't worried about it, you damn sure shouldn't be worried about it.
How come no one ever comes in here when it says whenever Don wins?
Yeah, how come no one ever comes in and is like, yo, my man, Don won 30 grand, 14 grand, 15 grand.
Because the way he trades in like his system, he wins way more than he loses.
I think that's loss number, like 5 or 6 for him for the whole year. So
probably, like, that's what I mean.
Don's a GOAT, man. He knows what he's doing. I'm sure that was a trade that was based off of his plan and his system. and he would take it again tomorrow.
Yeah, he trades like a robot.
Yeah. He is R2D2.
Yo, someone's in his chat section, in the live chat, and he goes, "It's crazy how I cop the signals than you have this week. It's my fault, really."
That's how it always is.
Oh, shit, that's fucked up.
Anytime you buy signals, that trader has a losing week.
Oh, legit.
Legit. Like, that's just God telling you, stop being lazy and learn how to trade yourself.
For real. Yo, live chat's the best. Shit's so funny.
Hey, I want to hear when he wins a trade too. Not just when he loses.
I was watching like a bunch of stuff on Roger. He was like, because I used to say the same thing. I used to be like, I would like tune into the New York session, and he would like never trade. But then he posts these huge winning trades. I'm like, where the hell is he getting these trades from? He's not, not doing it on stream. And then he's like, and then a lot of people were saying, and then he was like saying how he takes them on pre-London and holds them to pre-New York.
Yeah, nah, that's like
his thing now.
Yeah, nah, he's done a couple simulations, explaining all that too, how to hold trades.
I wish I could trade London. It looks like an awesome session.
Like London is like the afternoon for him. That's why he switched. The what?
I honestly just can't stay up for that.
Yeah,
it would mess my whole day up.
So right now we're sample sizing London session, my brother John, and if we have good data, which we do have good data right now, but we need to see that over the course of the next like 3 to 4 months. And if the win rate stays above 80, 85, then we're gonna stream the London session too. So everyone who trades London and everyone that lives in the UK will have a time to eat. We'll have a stream going for London session, but we gotta wait a couple months, right? We gotta get that data, make sure everything is lining up, make sure we're on our P's and Q's with that, and then if that win rate remains above 80-85%, then we'll see y'all in London. I mean, I probably won't see y'all in London, but John will be there. I'll be snoozing. You're gonna stay up
me every once in a while.
Yeah. Yeah, you might catch Sam there, but you're gonna stay up all night to trade London? No, so not me. So John's iPhone. You guys know John's iPhone? So John's iPhone will be running that. So right now he has a 90% win rate over about 10 trades. So we want to see 30, 40, 50 trades, and then we'll really we'll let you guys know. We won't talk about it much anymore, but just know we're working. Yeah, we're tracking some data, so. Do 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 do. If it drives, it drives. This is the target here, 2015, 2016 here on gold. Now we're breaking back into this range. You got clean candles to the left, but we got a few more minutes here. We're gonna wait for this 30 to close, and then we'll most likely be entering off this next 30-minute candle. So if you guys gotta make some food, get some coffee, go get water, use the bathroom, you got about 15 minutes. I'm gonna get some water myself. I'll be right back. Grab another Celsius. No, I'm just kidding. Just kidding. Is your brother a mentor? Yeah, I guess. Well, he will have his own stream during London session, and he knows what he's doing. He knows how to trade. Right now, he's taken about 10 trades during London session. He's won 9 of them. He's extremely disciplined to his plan and his system. So, yeah, he could probably help you out for sure. He could probably, you know, run the stream just as good as we run the stream here. Gold and GJ pushing down. Which one's lying? Which one's lying?
I actually took a trade on gold last night too. I took a sell.
Oh yeah.
And initially was in profit, and it came back and took a loss.
Where was it?
It's so. I had a zone drawn on the 15. If you go to the little bit to the left of that candle, you were just hovering over. Yeah. So that to the left. Yeah. So that candle, the next one when it closed below, that was
Right here.
down a little bit, and then it was, yeah, so it was like I had that candle had just kind of closed below, but then if you look, it made a nice top wick, broke the highs of the previous and started driving down, and that was a new 30-minute candle.
Yeah.
And initially I was up, but then it came back to stop me out.
Oh wow, yeah, I see that. And then whoop, right back down. Son of a gun. Don't you hate when that happens? 15-minute time frame is wacky, dude, right? Broke the high, pushing back down. Steep bottom wick. 30 minutes clean, 1 hour is pretty clean, 4 hours pretty clean, but we got volume coming in here pretty soon. Not much volume just yet. GJ pushing down as well, so somebody was in the golds, I mean the pound yen sells, the one who you got in down here, 166. Did you end up closing any partials up here? Or just break even? Should be exiting GJ. Oh, there you are. Yeah, I would have exited right when this candle closed with no top wick. I probably would have closed like most of my position, and then just if you're at break even down here, just stay in it. But I would have secured probably like 80% of my profits right up here. Are we valid for a GJ sell? No sir, not yet. Maybe at the close of this candle, because you have volume coming in, but not just yet for me. Next candle you can see dive down pretty well. Or if this candle closes like super weak, then you may see GJ continue up and gold continue down, which must be opposite day. Well, it is Friday, so it makes sense. Yeah, or small pullback to push. I mean, yeah, that's what I would say. Like I said, I would have closed partials up here once this candle, this 1 hour candle closed with no top wick, that's where I would have took the bulk of my position, especially if I'm in since down here. I would have took most of it there and then just leave the runner at break even. Oh, gold. Yeah, gold sells aren't bad at 9:30 here. I want to see this 15 push up. They don't look too shabby. Book it. Jailbreak life. I like that, Nico.
That's the way, man.
Get yours. Do.
Oh, I know yesterday I wasn't here because I was trading London, but yesterday I couldn't even. I got up, but I was a little late. I was PPI for you guys. I did see that you guys. I don't think you took a trade. But...
Nah, we didn't take anything. What happened yesterday? Feels like a year ago.
I think you had just said it was just good conversation and everything.
Yeah, that was it. I mean, we had this push up here, and then it basically just ranged. The only valid position I seen, it was on GJ, and it was this sell right here at 9:30. But we didn't take it. I was expecting a little bit of a bigger bottom wick. I mean, a bigger top wick, and this candle also.
That one didn't have one either.
Yeah,
that's the thing I would have said too. It kind of looks like it could have rejected there too as well.
Exactly.
How the previous one closed.
And we were bullish on the day, so. But yeah,
Right.
that was the only like semi-valid position that I really seen yesterday. We were thinking about taking it, but I really wanted to see a bigger top wick. And that was basically it. Nothing on gold. Once we pushed up, gold kind of just ranged after that. We broke the high here, but we never closed above, so we're gonna look for buys there as well. Never closed above. Next candles drove down. Got 30 pips on gold shorts. It was nice. Good job, Forex trader. Good work. Yeah, these sells aren't bad. Not bad. We'd probably be risk-free at this point. Not bad. We will look for gold sells here if we can remain below. For the next 30-minute candle. Still got an 80 pip range there. $652 subscribers. Appreciate you guys. If you guys are not subbed to the channel, man, subscribe to the channel for us. We're trying to get to 1,000 subs here in the next couple weeks, maybe next week or two. And once we get that done, we're going to be giving away a $20,000 challenge account for you guys. So if you're the winner, you have an opportunity for free to run that up and get yourself a 20K account. And we would love to hear how you perform on it.
The streams are here to help.
Yeah, and you could get the challenge and take the trades off the stream. We'll provide the challenge and the trades and the mindset and the thoughts and the analysis, everything. That's what we do over here at Time to Eat Trading.
Dude, as good as it is, I hate two-factor authentication.
I hate it too. I'm never using that again.
See, I have to use it for, like, there's certain things you have to. Like when my sports betting app thing.
Oh.
You always gotta sign in and out. So
Oh.
dumb. Well, it's like, it always needs some code. Where the hell my charger go?
Honestly, I like your stream better than Don's. Whoa. Whoa, whoa. But you'll get more views if you show your MT4. Well, I don't use MT4. I use MT5, and I'll show the MT5 while we're in trades and stuff. And after trades. But this is much cleaner. I like TradingView is much cleaner. MT4 I can't really draw like MT5 I can't really draw like I like to draw on TradingView.
Nah, 30. Can you do something for me?
Hey, can you do it? Yeah, I think 9:30 will get our drive, but I want to see this candle close. I want to see a little pullback though on this candle. Just a little one, nothing crazy. Ugh. Do you want to offer a 1-minute quick analysis on Brent oil? Yeah, we could do that. We got 7-8 minutes for this candle to close. Yes, TradingView was the best. Yeah, TradingView is much better to draw on the charts, give people a visual, all that good stuff. Let me see here. Oil. US oil, right? Crude oil. Crude oil. I'm just saying Don and Raja are transparent with their trades. People like that. Yeah. I pretty much show my MT5 every trade we're in. I'm expecting a wick fill in the 5-minute. Brent oil. How do I get to Brent oil? This one? This one. The second one. Pretty sure it's this one, right?
I think so.
Right here. Yeah, let's do a quick rapid analysis, right? So, whoa, gappy gaps. All right, so looks like we broke the monthly high here. So we're pushing up. There was some sort of gap. Must have been something that came out pretty abruptly while liquidity was down or something. Broke the high. Let's take a look at the weekly as well. So something happened 2 weeks ago where we pushed up pretty heavy. So you have an obvious resistance right here. Right now on the weekly time frame, no candle has been able to close above that in quite some time. So doesn't mean we're gonna reject, but we are running into a rejection area. Let's take a look at the daily. Daily closed bearish yesterday. Very, very little bottom wick. And what do we know about candles that have very little to no bottom wick? Well, there's no range for the next candle to drive. So that's why you see the price pull down. And then now it's, reflipping bullish here. So let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Close with no top wick. That's why you don't see a movement on this candle. But we could say that we do have a support. All right, we got a support here. We have potentially a resistance, right? But we don't know that until this 4-hour candle closes. So you're kind of caught up in this range right now. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour, we can adjust our resistance here, right? It's 1 hour is right here. You have a support right here. And this looks like a fake out here. Yeah, you see you got a support here. Price pushed down, broke the low. Did a fake out. What were we on the, we're bearish, right, on the daily. So yeah, I mean, I would probably wait for a close above 86,718, 86,720 to look for buys, and then sells probably below yeah, sells below here, 86,210. Because if you wait for the sells below there, then you have pretty clean traffic here to the left hand side, right, to fill that range. And same thing above this level here. In this range is pretty much just chalked, right? It's pretty choppy here in this range, so you probably want to stay out of this. Stay out of this range here, and maybe take sells below here and buys above there. That's probably what I would do. On Brent oil. GJ, nothing. Oh, the gaps from OPEC. Yeah, that makes sense. Cutting the supply. Yep, that makes sense to me. All right, we got 2 minutes here on gold. So let's talk about it, right? Let's talk about it. So 30 minutes created a high. We're bearish. We've closed below the support to the left-hand side. We have clean traffic moving down. This wick did reject right here at this support level. So got to be aware of that, right? But other than that, it looks pretty clean to pump down. When we had a close, yeah, pretty clean. So we just want to make sure this candle's closing below and gives us a top wick, and if it gives us that, then we should be good. Stops will probably be sitting above this high right here, which is going to be about 30 pips. Yeah, so we want to see a candle push up here real quick. Give us a top wick. So we have a low now. So let's see if we can pump up, break the 5-minute highs. Perfect. Give us a little bit bigger than that. If we can get a top wake up here, then that'd be perfect. Oh, this move's gonna go. Might just go on us again. See if we can get a steeper top wick here. Break the high, break the high. There we go. All right. Perfect. So I'm gonna have sell stops here. If we break this low, there's a high. We may push up here, but if we do re-break the low, then that means we're most likely gonna come back down. We may push up and close bullish on this 30, but if we're gonna break the low, chances are, that's, we're gonna come down here. So stops are gonna be above this previous candle high, and yeah, that's gonna be the trade. It's about, if we do break the low, it's about a 70 pip target here. If we break 30-minute highs, chances are we probably push up at this point. And there goes the 30 high. So yeah, chalked. No more sell stops. Let's look at GJ. GJ should be selling off here pretty soon. Yeah, not much for me here on pound yen. 4 hours bullish, 1 hour is bullish, 30 minutes bearish, 15 minutes bullish, 5 minutes bullish, right? We're not talking the same language here. Gold pushing up. Go.
Got some news next week.
Next week
should be better than this week.
Oh dang. A lot of red news. 9:45 on Friday. Five. Oh, you got a closure on the 5 here. That's not bad. That's not bad. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, I forgot. I wanted to see. I forgot. Anna recommended a song yesterday, and we never played it. Forgot the name of these guys though. I think it was called. Oh shit. Oh. I don't want you guys to hear it yet. All my 2000 peeps, my peeps from the early 2000s will remember. Beautiful, beautiful. Yep, gold pushing up. Did anybody get caught in these gold sells? Or you guys took profits? As long as it was part of your plan, then it was a good trade, right? Hey Nico, what's the deal for the weekend? You traveling around or what?
So far, there's a place called Blue Lagoon here in Punta Cana that's really cool. It just opened up, and it's actually owned by my second last name is Valdez, and it's these people named Castro Valdez, and they're apparently family. I'm go check that out, and I have
nice.
a girl that wants to hang out.
Oh damn, my guy's not the same girl from the last time?
No.
Oh damn.
I found out she had a kid.
Oh damn.
And I want to start something new. I don't want to jump into a family that's already there.
Yeah.
That's the one that was in the shopping center with you?
Yeah.
Oh
Wait,
damn.
what?
And she
Yo,
was
because
sweet.
I remember that. I remember her. She was
Yeah.
on the street. Well, like you were on the Zoom, bro.
Yeah.
Bro. She was cute. She was very bro. The thing in DR is they're not stuck up. Like all these girls are super humble, like, family oriented, super. I don't know, man. They're timid. They're cute, and I love that. So I'm just looking for one that doesn't have a kid, that looks like, and that it has values and is a godly woman, bro. And
That's what I like.
There you go.
The word I use is modest. Modest.
Yeah, I'm not looking for much, I don't think, but it's been, dude, since I got here, I've gone on like 14, 15 dates and haven't found the one.
Shoot, I mean, you get one, bro. 14, 15, it could very well be the next one.
Yeah.
Yo, I had the same thing happen to me earlier this year, though, bro. I was hanging out with some chick and I had no idea.
Yo, I got 3 kids.
She's like,
You willing to take care of me and my kids?
with one.
Yeah, I can't. I want to start my own family.
Hey man, you got to get in prayer. You got to start praying for the right girl.
Sure.
That's
I
what it
gotta
is.
start praying for a lot of these women, bro.
Yeah, you got to pray, man.
No, I'm serious.
Hey,
Yes.
here's the best thing to do, right? You
Get a passport.
you write down all the qualities that you would like in a girl, and then you write them down, make sure they're clear, and then you got to ask yourself, what kind of guy would this type of girl like?
Yes.
And then you gotta, you gotta raise the level a little bit, raise the bar, go a little step up.
Yes.
Yeah, don't settle.
Don't settle for nothing but the best.
We don't settle.
And then nothing. My cousin, he lives a couple blocks away, and he's starting a company about. It's basically a referral company where we're gonna have a website that we're building, and we're gonna get all the brokers in the area in Punta Cana and other cities here in VR, and put all the properties of those brokers on the website. And he has 40,000 followers on Instagram, and he's really good at marketing. So we're gonna get people interested in buying here, investment, rentals, vacation homes, and whenever they come through our website, we get a little referral fee and we give it to the broker.
Damn, I thought you were gonna say you guys are gonna create a dating app. Hey, tell your cousin to shout out the stream to his 40,000 followers.
I'll tell him, yeah, for sure. I'll definitely tell him. Meeting with him later today.
Oh, nice. Let's go. Bro, do you think 166.600 is the top on GJ? If I'm in on a buy? See, I don't know, right? I can't predict that. I do know that we are pretty bullish here. Looks like we've created a bottom wick. The 1 hour candle's closing in about 15 minutes. Looks like you created a support there on the 15, pushing up, broke the high. So right now, the trade is in your favor. If you get this 30 minute here to break the high, it's going to be in your favor even more. And then if you get a candle to close above this zone here, then you should be good for some more pips to see that 166.800 area here. But we gotta see everything play out, right? So we can't really think much. We just gotta go off of what we see. And from what we see, 4 hours bullish, 1 hour is bullish, 30 minutes bearish, 15 is bullish, 5 minutes bullish. So you're in buys, so that sounds good. Only thing about this 1 hour and 4 hour is that there's really no top wick. So that's why I was telling you I probably would have closed most of that position right here. But yeah, hold on to it, man. Hold on to it. The trade's still in your favor. Until you really get this hourly to close bearish. And otherwise that, you're pretty ahead in the trade. You may have a 1 hour celery to continue up here. Gold heading back down. No, Scott, I'm not looking at that. I'll wait for buys above here. Yeah, I wouldn't take that. you're running into another resistance and then all this choppy area here. So nah, I wouldn't be interested in that one. If we can get a close above here though, we do have clean traffic to the left, and I'd look to take advantage. Oh, on gold. Let's see, gold. 1 hour celery. It's not really a celery anymore. Once this wick is too big now. But I do want to see it, because if we stay below here, then if we keep closing below here, then there's a high chance that we can continue down. We weren't able to do it on the 30-minute, right? So at this point, we're just waiting for the hour to close up. And this would be probably too low to take the entry. So I'll probably look for, if we can close bearish, make a top wick, then maybe enter on the flip of the candle. Probably that's something I'd be interested in. Yeah, more of a doji, yeah. Yeah, we want to see this candle close bearish. Something like this. And then we get a top wick, and then we can enter on the flip. Oh my god, that's an ugly candle. There it is. Yeah, probably something like that. $15-minute fake out maybe. Back into this range. $30-minute looking good too. Never broke. I mean, never closed below. Looks like it's gonna push down. Got 10 minutes here, so 2 5-minute candles.
Oh, that might be it for me. I'm gonna get a jump start on my week.
Do it, brother.
I'll probably stay around if it weren't Friday.
Yeah, it's getting a little late, so we'll see. This next close will probably be the last straw for me.
All right, well, I'm out of here. So,
all right, Sammy
peace,
boy.
Zoom. Peace, everyone in the Zoom.
Hope you have a good weekend, broski.
Scalp. Jay wasn't here. He's too good to say goodbye. No, I'm playing.
See you later, bro.
Jay dipped, I think.
Peace,
Yeah, Jay's out.
peace.
All right, brother.
Nah,
I'll see you later.
I'm just messing. Yeah, peace.
Have a good weekend, Sam.
Peace, everyone in the chat.
Later.
Scott, let's see who else. Robin Capital, Daniel.
Hey, all the
Peace. I'm out of here, boy.
He's out. Mic drop. Sugar.
Yo, Nick, question.
Yeah.
Bro, on Magic Keys, when I click market pending, that's gonna open a line where I want it to, where it'll activate.
Yeah, so that's gonna open up that yellow line, and then once you got that yellow line opened, then that's where you're gonna set your order. So like, let's say we want to take a sell like right here. You're gonna move that yellow line right there, and then once you got it in place, you're gonna hit open trade. So So make sure your stop is where it needs to be, your TP, and then that yellow line where you want to enter, and then just hit open trade, and it will activate the trade once price hits that line.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. Brent oil did a jump, closed too early, but okay. Let's see. Very nice. Yeah, if you wait for the candle to close too, you'll probably get another entry. You got 8 minutes. Because now you have now you got clean traffic here in this range. So I would probably look to take profits right around there, 8,700. I'll be right back. Oh. Yeah, it's Friday. Freaky Friday. Freaky Friday. Sometimes gold could be tough on Fridays. Don down on the month? Well, that's rare. That's very rare. I'm sure he'll pull it together. It's only the 14th. I'm sure he'll have probably the best month of his life. Hey, Don also withdrew about 90,000 the other day. Any of y'all withdraw 90,000 the other day? This is our jam. Where's my boy Green at? Green, where you at? Where you at, Green? Cat got your tongue? Oh my, yeah, I haven't heard that saying in mad long. Cat got your tongue? You guys remember that one? You ever heard that one? The jam, yeah. What's up, my boy? What's up? Happy Friday, Green. What's up with it? What we doing tonight? Where we at tonight, Green?
Volume looks like it's dying now.
It's dying down, just like the chat's activity. Where's the chat? Where's the chat? Where we at, Green? Busy day today. Busy, busy, busy. Green's a busy, busy man. Busy, busy. Hey, chat, I was hoping to get to 700 here today. 700 subs. If you guys haven't subscribed, man, subscribe to the channel. Come on, boost us up. 653? 653? We could do better than that. Yeah, Green's a busy man. Come on, we gotta go harder. Yo, that one. Some of you guys I sent on Instagram that that video. I don't really like that kid's videos, but this one was hilarious. Let me see if I can find it here. Let me see. Actually, hold on. Let me see. I gotta go through the messages first. Yo. Hold on. Wait, where'd it go? Crap.
Go, Grandpa, move them noodle legs. Shake that booty, let's go. She popping the fucking yo. Let's go, baby. Keep moving. Faster, faster, fucking faster, faster. I want you to go faster. I want you to work harder. It's 2023. We're going places. Let's go. Keep going.
You got bad breath.
I don't got bad breath, bro. Get the fuck out. Let's go. Move them noodle legs. You know the girls broke up with you last week. Move them noodle legs. Move them noodle legs. Nah, move them noodle legs. We're gonna fucking do this. It's 2023. You papi mo fucking año. Mo fucking año. Mo fucking año. Get that shit. Shake that ass. Shake that shit. Yeah. You got it. You pumping up. You're pumping up. Let's go. Let's go. Keep
Yo,
going.
this guy's
Keep going. Keep going. Nah, you hired me. Shake him.
Yo, this
He's got
guy's
bad breath and he's in my
tight.
face.
He hired me. I'm motivating him. I'm just motivating him. I'm just motivating.
Clown,
Grandpa,
bro.
let's go, Grandpa. Move them noodle legs. Shake that booty. Let's go. She popping my fucking yo. Let's go, baby. Keep moving. Faster,
Yo.
faster, fucking faster.
Stupid, bro. Stupid. Yeah, nothing here, man. Nothing on. No top wicks. Nothing. Nothing. 4 hours clean. Fill the wick. Let's see what GJ's doing. GJ 30-minute time frame. Yeah. Yeah, chatty chat. That's probably gonna be the day here. Not much happening. No top wick on that candle, so nothing we could really do in that situation. Yo, that video, honestly, that kid's humor doesn't really make me laugh, but that video was hilarious. Yo, I'm out of here. Have a great weekend. Yeah, chat, I'm gonna be out here too. That's it for me. Calling it a day, calling it a week. W week. We didn't really get any trades yesterday or today, so slow week here. But yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday. Hope you guys have a great weekend. It's probably a good time, best to get off the charts here today and move on to Monday, right? So hope you guys have a great weekend. Love you guys. Peace out. Peace, peace, peace. And we're gonna go old school here. What you know about this? Young Bucks. What y'all know about this?
What's going on, girl? What you think, huh? Tell me. Yo, me and Miss Thing, we were the perfect team. We had all the things all the other couples think. Love, trust, good sex, and security. If you ever felt weak, smiles, what's your energy? Trips across seas, showed you the finer things. No more Burger King, it was fine dine cuisine. And if we never had it,
Throwback. Throwback.
we were a classic like Nas and Illmatic. I was so deceived, I thought we had a thing. You used to
Y'all
blow
see the
into it
video?
up in 143s. The
Hey.
LOV had me blind, I wanted to see. Not trusting my friends, all they were yelling at me. How can you do me so wrong? I don't wanna get gone. I invested 3 years, ma, plus this song. I'm so confused, where to go, how do I choose? I guess to find real love, I gotta pay
them
my
pants.
dues.
Who remembers them pants? Yo.
What you think, huh? What's going on, girl? What you think, huh?
Look at this guy.
Come on.
Look at them pants.
Yeah,
Y'all remember
it
that?
seems so good. Yo, we used to chill in the hood. You made me, kept me strong. Still trying to figure out where the hell we went wrong. I did what I can. Young cat, being a man. Stayed in, weathered the storm when most would have ran. Too much pride, and you know men don't cry. Had to let you go, even though it hurt inside. All by myself, now I had to turn to these rhymes. It's the only way I know to release my mind. What you think, huh? What's going on, girl? What you think, huh? What's going on? It's been a while. Yeah, you know time goes fast. Let me tell you though, some things still don't pass. Sit back in the pad, think about the times we had. Try not to let it make me sad or make me mad. I'm trying to move on with my life, the wound is healed. Yeah, I'm just speaking the real, I'm ready to feel, ready to provide for my seed, a man now. Bet you can't believe it's me. You ruined a good thing in all of our dreams. Trying to lock me down a lifetime in the main. Monitoring my calls, griping at my dogs. I never really understood the cause. My friends were your friends were my friends. Your dough is my dough is my dough. My no is my no. We'll put this weather and everybody that been through it, then sing it together.